March drills. And my dear students, how different is this day? The school is wearing a festive look. Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the colors of the cultural feast unfold. On behalf of the management, we welcome you all to our annual Sports Day celebrations for the academic year 2013-14.
ओम नमो विघ्नेश गिरिज नंदन प्रभु सर्व विघ्न विनाशय गणपतिये नमः. Before we begin any program, we are accustomed to practice the Lord to seek His blessing. So, to invoke the Almighty, I call upon the girls of high school section.
ಸನೆ ದೇವಾ ಲಂಬೋದರನೇ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬರನೇ ಅಂಬಾಸುತನೇ ದೇವಾ ಲಂಬೋದರನೇ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬರನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಪೆನಯ್ಯ ಕರುಣಾಕರನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಪೆನಯ್ಯ ಕರುಣಾಕರನೇ ಬಂಧು ಸಲಹೋ ತಂದೆ ಗುಣಬಂಧುರನೇ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನೆನೆದು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ತುಂಬ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನೆನೆದು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ತುಂಬ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಸಿ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಾರಂಭ ಜಯವಾ ನೀಡಲು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಹೇರಂಬ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಅಂಬಾಸುತನೇ ದೇವಾ ಲಂಬೋದರನೇ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬರನೇ ಅಂಬಾಸುತನೇ ದೇವಾ ಲಂಬೋದರನೇ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಬರನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಪೆನಯ್ಯ ಕರುಣಾಕರನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಪೆನಯ್ಯ ಕರುಣಾಕರನೇ ಬಂಧು ಸಲಹೋ ತಂದೆ ಗುಣಬಂಧುರನೇ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ ಪಾಹಿ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜ.
Conferred upon me here is to welcome everyone to this grand celebration. This is so precious moment for us because aside from the school's successful imparting education, this is also going to witness the showcasing of talents of the young birds of the school. First and foremost, I would like to welcome the center of attraction of today's program, that is our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Anupama. She is such a dynamic personality who does not need a formal introduction at all. She is the first hockey umpire from India to officiate 88 international matches. Her achievements and awards are multitudinous. After completing her LLB from Sheshadripuram Law College, Bangalore, she chose umpiring hockey matches as her career. Her interest was more in this field. She was awarded Best All-Rounder in the academic year 2002 and 2003. She was also awarded with Namma Bengaluru Sportsperson on February 9, 2011. In the year 2007, she was awarded the Best Umpire Women of India by Sardar Gyan Singh Memorial Hockey Society at New Delhi. She got selected by the Federation International Hockey as one of the youngest umpire among the 10 men and women in the year 2005. She is the first woman hockey umpire from the state of Karnataka. She is the first women hockey umpire from India to officiate the Junior World Cup and 3 Commonwealth Games. Her umpiring career is spectacular. She officiated as the umpire in the Junior Asia Cup held at Hyderabad in 2004. Officiated the final China vs Korea match. Officiated as the umpire in the Junior World Cup held at Chile, Santiago in the year 2005. Officiated as the umpire in the Youth Olympic Games held at Australia 2009. Officiated the finals Australia vs England. Officiated as the umpire in the XX Central American and Caribbean Games held at Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic in the year 2006. Officiated as the umpire in 8th Asia Cup held at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in September 2013. Appointed as an umpire for the Commonwealth Games which will be held at Glasgow, Scotland in July 2014. We are proud to have you here with us, ma'am. I request our Joint Secretary, Madam, to welcome our Chief Guest, Florally, as a token of love and respect. With Food Division Block, a warm welcome to you, sir. I request our Joint Secretary, ma'am, to welcome him florally. I also welcome Mr. K.P. Appanna, retired Deputy Registrar of Cooperative Societies, here to support us. Welcome you, sir. So next, I would like to welcome our most honorable Secretary, Sir, Mr. Raghu. Being the Secretary of this school, he has given a lot of invaluable advices and support. I proudly welcome him in my humble words to this prestigious program. I welcome our Joint Secretary, ma'am, Mrs. Vasanta Raghu, who is very kind and supportive to us. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome the backbone of Mother Teresa Group of Institutions, B.Ed and PU College Principal, Mrs. Ratnakala ma'am, CBSE School Headmistress, Mrs. Vasanta Chandappa ma'am, our high school Headmistress, Mrs. Kavita ma'am, our primary and nursery Headmistress, Miss Mangala Lama ma'am. A very delightful welcome to all of you. Your support and dedication is magnificent and inspiring. Next, I would like to welcome all our dearest parents and well-wishers who have constantly extended their love and support to all high prospects of this school and to each one of its faculty. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all our teaching and non-teaching staff and our students who are part and parcel of this institution. I hope and I request your benign cooperation throughout this program for its grand success. Thank you one and all for this opportunity.
On this day, we are very much blessed to have Mrs. Anupama as our chief guest, and I request her to address the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Secretary, okay, yeah. Dignitaries on and off the desk. I have Appan uncle here, my husband, and my dear parents here, and my brothers and sisters here and everybody present over here. I'm very happy to come here. And one thing I found here is, after coming to this institution is, you all do, say from your heart. I liked it very much. Whatever you do over here is from your heart. So that makes you all a very natural and good human being. That is what is more important in any field. If you want to achieve to any level, that is more important. A good human being can, and positive thinking, you can really reach to a very high level. And sports is like, it creates lots of positive energy in you, and it's like you have to keep a hero or a hero in yourself. But the thing is, you all have to have your own identity. See, when example cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, he has made name for himself. But what you all have to think among yourself, build in your among yourself is how Sachin has reached to that position. You all have to get that confidence in you that even I have to make my own name. So what I tell everybody is like, you have to create your own name, and like Sachin, like each one of you in this institution have to go up like Sachin and build your own name, okay? And thank you very much for inviting me here. I'm really happy coming over here, and all the best for you all. Let success be there in every attempt of your life. Thank you very much.
That was a magnanimous and an eloquent speech indeed. Thank you very much, ma'am, for emphasizing on the role and responsibilities of the children. Every school has its own ideals and motto of loyalty, truth, and honor, and this is depicted by a flag of its own. So now I take up the privilege to call upon our honorable chief guest to hoist our school's flag with the general salute. Our school's flag is the
Next, I request our chief guest to visit all our houses and to receive the salute from the house captains. Our school commander, Master Ashwath, will lead our guests to the respective houses, and a school captain, Master Sai Krishna, and vice captain, Miss Abhinandini, will introduce the house captains and the vice captains to the chief guest.
the entire world, I request our chief guest to release the engaged pigeons. One has rightly said, there is a need of light to make our lives bright. There is a need of passion to sweep away the darkness of ignorance and keep up the illumination by the dawn of self-realization. To keep up the flame of sportsmanship alive, may I call upon our chief guest to light the torch. Promote guests and the Vice Captain, Ms. Yashaswini B, march forward to get the torch illuminated. Now they are carrying the flambeau, the lighted torch, and are about to hand over to all the house captains. The flambeau, the lighted torch, is handed to Preetam Reddy, the Nicholas captain. Shiv Kumar, the Rohini captain, receives the flambeau. This is followed by Samir Kalagi, the Apollo captain. And now they are proceeding towards Thoranar, the Aryabhata captain. Finally, the Bhaskara captain, Abhishek, receives the glorified torch. We can witness Now I call upon our chief guest to declare the annual sports meet of 2013-14 as open.
The Sports Day Ceremony 2013 open.
Thank you, ma'am, for that. Discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability. Ladies and gentlemen, let us view a very well-disciplined and spectacular march past by the young and smart boys and girls of our high school section. I request our honorable chief guest to receive the general salute from all the 5 houses and also to choose the best march past from these houses. captain Miss Yashaswini and the 5 respective houses. To begin with, we have the first house, Bhaskara House. Its captain, Master Abhishek, and the vice captain, Miss Prabha, are leading their house, followed by the second house. Our second house is the Aryabhatta house. Its captain is Master Toran Nath and the vice captain is Miss Supriya. They are along with their group members. The third house we have here is the Apollo house. Its captain, Master Samir Kalagi, and the vice captain, Miss Chetana, are leading their house members. The fourth house is the Rohini house. Its captain is Master Shivakumar and the vice captain is Miss Pavitra Jennifer are with their fellow group members. Last but not the least, the Nicholas house here is here with the captain Master Pritam Reddy and the vice captain Miss Neha S. Vaidya. Along with the high school team, we have the college students. The captain is Bharat and the vice captain is Miss Samira.
like a troupe of strict marshals. A very good performance by Mother Teresa School Children's performance. There is a moment which is very special for every leader as he starts his journey to lead his fellow men by solemnizing himself when he takes an oath. Now we have the oath taking ceremony, and I request our sports captain to march forward and take the sports day oath along with all the leaders and the captains.
We swear that we will take part in our annual sports meet with a spirit of fair competition, respecting the rules which govern them, and maintain a true sportsman spirit, honoring the spirit and glory of this sports meet.
physical displays, and I request our chief guest to choose the 3 best displays among these.
Please put your hands together for the inauguration display.
Shanti Sandesha, the message of peace and purity. The girls are dazzling in their white apparels. White, which symbolizes purity, peace, and truth.
It's very nice.
Audience, can you make out the formation of the lily? The white lily is looking gorgeous with its blooming petals.
Oh, Lily has turned into butterflies now with its fluttering wings.
Oh, how lovely. It is a scintillating display. Now we can see the butterflies have turned to the spokes of a wheel.
like we are near seashore. It's very beautiful.
What a lovely synchronization. It's a feast to our eyes. Very nice. They look like budding flowers. It's an awesome performance. It looks as if a white flag is swirling in the wind. Audience, give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much, girls, for the wonderful performance. Now the next discipline is the holistic of hoops.
Now we have a display from the third and fourth girls, the holistic of hoops. The arrangement is in the form of swastika. The coordinated movements of the hoops forms a colorful symbol of swastika. Yoga Jivamrita display by high school boys.
Now we have a display for the boys of third and fourth.
As you can see, it is in the formation of a dumbbell. The rhythm of the sound of the dumbbells represents the coordination of the students.
It's very pleasing melodious sound of water droplets.
The colors of the dumbbells used are green and gold, which gives a beautiful visual effect.
That's marvelous, boys. Keep it going. Thank you guys for such a peaceful display. Next we have Yoga Jivamrita by high school boys, followed by Sunrise and Sunset display by 5th and 6th girls. Give a big round of applause, audience. This display is Yoga Jivamrita. This is a combination of exercises which are important to our life. Yoga, which has turned out to be a healthy practice from ancient times, helps to keep our body relaxed.